Hey guys, so you guys are doing this lab today, AC/DC Circuit Construction Simulation Lab, and I just wanted to show you a little bit about the controls. So let's take a peek. First, you're going to come to our home page. From the home page, please click on where it says PhET Circuits Lab right down here, or it'll probably pop up on your coming up assignments. Either way, you'll get to the right spot. And then here is the link. Click on that link, and that is where your simulation is going to be. It doesn't really matter if you click the intro side or the lab side. It has the same tools, so you're good either way. Okay, so first off, it wants you to create a circuit. So we just need to do a basic little circuit. Pull out your battery, and then pull out your wires. And it's just going to be easier if you try to make them nice and rectangle shaped. It just makes it easier to see where all of the electricity is going. If you do some shortcuts, you can. I mean, because I can do this exact same thing if I pull out a battery and stick a light bulb right here, and then I take a wire and put it here and do that, but it's just hard to see where all of the electricity is going, and as you get more complicated ones, it will get harder and harder. So there's a very simple one. Then later on, I ask you to make a series circuit. If you click on one of these connections, I'm just clicking right here, you can either hit the delete key or you can click on the scissors and it'll separate things. And then I can add in another bulb if I need to. And now I've got my two bulbs, which is one of the things that you had to do here. You had to add a third bulb and then a fourth bulb as well and do some measurements. The last thing that you'll do on the final page is to create a parallel circuit. And when you're doing that, you have to make sure to follow the diagram real closely. This diagram here, I want you to create this as closely as you can. Now, I want to show you guys how to use this little guy. This is your ammeter. It measures amps, which is current. And so I just want to show you guys how to use that. So you can drag it back over here to get rid of it or pull it out, and then you just grab onto this little thing and hover, and it'll tell you what the current is. Okie dokie. And then when you get to the more complex page here, find the current at all of these different locations. All you have to do is just drag this, hover over those different locations, and then write those current values in on the diagram here. On the last page, I would like you to try making some manipulations. So you can do things like add resistors and see what happens to the current. So I could take one of these little resistors and put that in there, split that connection and see what happens, measure your current and see how that changed. Or there's all kinds of different weird little things on here that you can add a switch if you want. There's a dollar bill, paper coin, eraser, so some different things there. And in the lab, those same objects are still in here, but you've also got a few more things. So there's a hand, pencil that has metal on both sides. So different things that you guys can try. You also can change the resistance in the battery itself and the resistance in the wires and see how that changes things. So explore, have fun, and I will see you guys later. Bye.